This is our code with a complete file, which is I am now wanted to push on my GitHub repo, which is already exists, but some file, now 2 extra file I want to push on my GitHub repositories. Let's start. Click on Visual Studio Code and open existing repo which is already have in our localhost or drive. Here are the option if you want to commit direct without needed any of terminal git initialize code, but small problem is here are not option for commit message. So click on new terminal. Then select git bash and type here git remote add origin. Then copy the HTTPS link and paste here. Then press on enter. But first you have to need git initialize. Type here git init and press enter. Then git add space dot, then press enter. Then git commit, then git commit dash n, then quotation mark into foundation underscore step underscore 3. Okay, now press on enter. Here the message you have to need declare which are you showing on your repository message section. This message will be shown. Okay, now press on enter. Now our 2 files are already initialized. However, now write on git remote add origin, then press the HTTPS copy link. Okay, after paste that, press on enter. Then git branch space n space main. Okay, press enter. Then git push dash u origin main. Okay, press enter. You will see here the git push u origin main to the link is here and rejected, but here is the one error you will be shown. But don't worry, you will find out a one notification, but you can skip it. Okay, click on ask me later. Now we are clicking on sync changes. It will be showing on your GitHub left panel sync changes. Okay, when you are press OK, then it will be synced. Okay, when sync complete, then you will be, then when you reload, you will see that here are the 2 extra file which was not here now successfully push it on our GitHub repository.